12th problem. A tree was broken due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meter. Find the height of the tree before falling down. So there was a tree that is broken down. Suppose this is the broken part which is touching the ground. Let it be A, B, C. Here the angle is 90 degrees. So what did they said? The broken part, the point where it is touching the ground, from there to the foot, the distance is given as 6 meter. Next, we have to find the height of the tree. So when we add this distance from A to C and the distance B to C, we will get the height of the tree. So let us start. Let us write what is given. So given is distance of the distance from the foot of the tree, distance from the foot of the tree to the point of contact of the top of the tree. Is 6 meter. Next, we will take the length of the remaining part be h meters. So let the height of the remaining part be h meter. Next, we will take the length of the broken part be x meter. So let the length of the broken part be x meter. Next, when we add these two, remaining part and the broken part, we will get the height of the tree. So let us find out. Here they have given the angle also, that is 30 degrees. Angle made by the broken part, angle made by the broken part with the ground or on the ground is 30 degrees. Here we have to take one known and one unknown value. So for that, this is the adjacent and this is the hypotenuse. Here it is opposite and this one is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, we can see this in tan. Let us write from the figure or in the figure. We can write tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite. Opposite is BC. So H by adjacent is AB, that is 6. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equals to H by 6. Next we will multiply this 6 with 1. 6 ones are 6. So H is equals to 6 ones are 6 by root 3. We can write this 6 as 2 into 3 by root 3. This single 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So h is equals to 2 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Why we can write this root 3 into root 3? Root 3 into root 3 will become 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. So h is equals to 2 root 3. So this is the height of the remaining part. Next, cos 30. We will write cos 30 degrees. Why? Because this one is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse can be seen in only cos ratio. So let us write cos 30 is equals to adjacent is 6 by hypotenuse is x. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 is equals to 6 by x. Let us cross multiply this. X into this x and 6 into 2 root 3 2 root 3 by 2. After going there it will be 2 by root 3. Again 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So we can write, let us write this 2 first, 2 into 3 by root 3. So x is equals to 2 to the 4. 1 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So root 3 cancel. So therefore x is equals to 4 root 3. So this is nothing but this is the length of the broken part. To find out the height of the tree, so height of the tree is equals to, we have to add what? X plus h. So what is this x? X is 4 root 3. 4 root 3 plus h. H is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3. 4 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 6 root 3. So 6 into, the value for root 3 is 1.732. 1.732. So we can write 6 to the 12. 6 3 is 18 plus 1, 19. 6 7 is 42 plus 1 is 43. 6 1 is 6 plus 4, 10. So 10.392 meters. So therefore the height of the tree is 10.392 meters.